Hi, how are you doing? Our relatives came here to make a bonfire, and unfortunately from this point their fire ran out. So we are going to make our own fire for them. How? Many just start drawing lines using a simple brush, and then they apply some effects on it, or they download some fire brushes and use them. You don't need to do this. There is an easier and better way. Before anything, like the video and subscribe to the channel so I can tell you. Here you come, click on the plus, create a layer. Make sure to do the work on a separate layer, so if we want to erase something later or adjust, we don't encounter any problems. Okay, now we take the pen tool and start drawing a straight line from here outwards. Okay, this line is the path of our fire. Now the next option is that we go to the filter tab, and from here we select render and flame. In this option you can apply various settings. For example, change it a bit from the size and dimensions of our fire. Well, for example, this seems better to me. Now let's tidy it up a bit to see how good it is. This also seems somewhat nicer to me. Let's see here. It has made your fire somewhat sharper in my opinion, and here it looks more like fire coming out of a dragon's mouth. Here you can change the color to the one you have in mind, whatever color it is, slightly. I change it to orange, press OK, and finally, if all the settings are correct, just press OK. You have to wait a few moments for it to render. Now you can slightly change the position of this fire. Okay. Or if you are not satisfied, you can come back and change the settings again. For example, I personally think this needs the fire to be a bit thicker. It doesn't have enough steam. And here I click OK. Now in my opinion this fire is a bit better. I rotate it to give me the desired path. Then we remove any unwanted extras from around the mouth and keep only what we need. Now, what do? We go to the section tie blending option. We add an outer glow to make it a bit more natural. I select the outer glow and try its color from a color. Take inspiration from the orange here, or use this. If the color is yellow here, it won't look natural. Try an orange that's more related to the inner part of the body. You can also adjust its size nicely here. What size is better? I'll make it a bit larger. I adjust its spread a bit, and you can also increase or decrease its color from here. In my opinion, a value of around 2 or 3 per week is enough. If I press OK now, you'd see a very beautiful fire easily coming out of our dragon's mouth and the world. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.